Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can connect your WordPress website with Codex. So you will be able to use and do anything in WordPress using Codex. Codex is part of ChatGPT. If you want to know more about that, you can search Codex on Google. Here you can see if you have the subscription to OpenAI ChatGPT, then you can install this and use it for free. Otherwise there are some limits while using that, so we can close it. Go to your website, and here first of all you will need to go to the dashboard. By the way, after connecting the Codex with your website, you will be able to upload any new blog post that Codex write. It can write blog post and publish on your store on your behalf, and you can also perform lot of other things. So just go to the users, and here go to profile, and here you need to scroll down. Here just remember what's your username, because we will need that. And other than that, here you can create an application password. Just write anything like codex or anything, and click on add application password, and it will give you a password. You can copy it. I am going to delete it. You don't need to share it with anyone, because it can cause security issue on your website. So just go to Codex. After that, this is how it looks like. And here in the new tab, just say like, can you establish a connection with WordPress, and write your domain name, and after that write your username, and then write your application password, and just send it. Here it will take some time and it will make the connection, so we will need to wait. Here you can see after 31 seconds it is able to establish the connection, and after that you can do anything on your website. So here for example, I have said that please write a blog post for my website, best for my website content, and do not publish, just draft it. So we're going to give this prompt and see what it do on our website. Make sure you do the draft post and do not publish it directly, because there should be some content value in it. Wait and see what it do. You can give your blog keyword, your blog title, or anything. You can also ask it to generate featured images and any ad image, and add it on the blog post. So just make sure you write all the details that you want in the articles, and it will do the job. So let's wait. So here you can see it has drafted a post. So let's see. Go to posts, and here you can see a draft is done. Let's click on preview. So here currently it has not added the featured image because we have not said it, but it has done some internal linking on its own, which is good. We can also ask it to generate featured image and add. I have already tried those stuff. So you can also ask it to perform any SEO tasks. So that's it for this video. If you need any help or have any question, do let me know in the comment section. I was not able to create videos regularly recently on my channel because of some construction work. Now I am back, but I need some motivation. So do like this video and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel to motivate me for more videos, so I can bring new type of content for you. I have learned a lot in these days, but was not motivated enough because my views were like going down. So that's it for this video. See you next time.